Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to my deep guide. This is going to be a very short comparison video simply because I've made in-depth reviews of all the devices and then you can actually check out the details there. This is just a very short summary and my subjective personal preference and opinion. In this quick comparison video, we're checking out the Remarkable 2 versus the Boox Note Air. First, let's check out the Remarkable 2. It has a much better magnet design and how it holds for the pen on the side. Way better design than it is on the Note Air. It also has a much better default pen. The writing feel is undeniably better than Note Air and has much faster writing latency speed, unfortunately at the cost of writing quality. It's a little bit thinner, it has less glare and reflections on the screen, and it has much more sophisticated brushes and tilt sensitivity or tilt detection of the pen. And now on to the Boox Note Air. It is much more powerful device, like incomparably more powerful and faster. It has 25 gigabytes of usable storage versus 6.5 usable gigabytes of storage on Remarkable 2. It has a much better battery life, incomparably better reader functionalities, like completely two different universes as far as that goes. It also has better notebook functionality, specifically because of two features. You're able to set symbols on your notebook pages and search for those pages like that. And more importantly, you're able to do text search in your written notebooks. Overall, it allows for a lot more flexibility, versatility, and functionality in general. It has a front light and a very good one at that, and it's considerably cheaper than the Remarkable 2. My personal subjective favorite between these two devices is, without a shadow of a doubt, the Boox Note Air. Simply put, it's a way more powerful and functional device than the Remarkable 2 is. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe and ding the notification bell to get notified when the new videos are coming out. And also, if you like what I do and you would like to support the channel further, then consider checking out the My Deep Guide on patreon.com, where you will get some extra access to behind the scenes vloggy type of content twice a month or something like that, as a thank you for your generous support. That's it for me. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye!